Hey, what's up guys? I'm pretty sure a lot of you use Quicktime Player to do screen recording. However, if you do webinar, interview, tutorial type of video, and if you want to capture the sound coming from your computer, the default settings of Quicktime Player just won't do that. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys some settings that I use, that I do screen recording with the Quicktime Player to capture the audio at the same time. Without further ado, let's dive into it. So the default settings of Quicktime Player, the new screen record you can see right here. The input option only allows you to record a microphone from your computer. That means if you want to play something on your computer and the recording just won't capture that, okay? So I learned this in a hard way. Sometimes I record a whole thing and just couldn't record the audio from the computer. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys, it's a little bit complicated, but at the same time, it's pretty straightforward. Just doing pretty much exactly what I do here. If you have any questions, please leave in comments and I will definitely help you out, okay? So the first thing we need to do is we want to download this little plugin. It's called Soundflower, okay? Just for Mac. I'm a Mac user, so I'll leave the link in description. Definitely go click it and download it. Once you download it, unzip this folder, and then you can install by double-clicking this PKG file, and it's pretty fast, pretty straightforward. Once you're done, come to your system preferences and come to sound, and you'll be able to see Soundflower output option, okay? And I'll explain to you why you need to install that. This is kind of like the vehicle is gonna carry our sound from the computer, and it will send it to a Quicktime Player, okay? That was the first step. Make sure you install Soundflower. Second step is you want to click on Command Space or click on this icon to search Audio Midi Setup and click on Return, and it will open right here. This is our Audio Midi setup, and if you want to know the actual folder it's stored in is under Utility, and it's right here, Audio Midi setup, okay? So once you open it, I want you to do two things. First one, I want you to click on this plus. I want you to create aggregate device, okay? Click on it, and you can name this like what I did here, Quicktime Player Input, okay? A name that's easier for you to understand, for you to look at it and you know what that is. And the clock source I said is a built-in microphone, and you want to click on Soundflower 2, and you want to click on a built-in microphone, okay? So this is the input we're gonna use in Quicktime Player, and I will show you guys in a bit. Everything is going to be crystal clear in a few minutes. Second thing I want you to click is still click this plus sign and click on create multi-output device, okay? And then it's going to look like this. I named it screen record with audio. So what you want to do here is to click on master device is building output, and you want to click on building output and Soundflower. You can see both options. We have Soundflower 2, so it's kind of functions as in the middle, and it's carrying both sounds, okay? And this settings is done. As long as you're done, you can close it. And make sure before you record anything, you go to your system preferences, go to sound, output, you want to click on screen record with audio, and you can close it. Once you're done your screen recording, you can switch back to headphones or any default output with your Mac. Depending on what situation you're in and how many gears you have, you might have different options here. So once you're done, you're done. And click on Command Space, and we're gonna search Quicktime Player, and we're gonna open QuickTime Player. I'm already doing a screen recording, which is you click on File, and it's the third option. You can go with a key command if you want to. Because I'm already recording my screen, I'm gonna click Audio Recording just to show you how your screen recording will look like, okay? Similar to this, but this title is gonna say Screen Record. Make sure you click the third one. You're gonna see this red dot. It's about to start recording as soon as you click it, but before you click it, you want to click on this little icon so we have options to pick from. Remember earlier we created in audio MIDI setup, we named it QuickTime Player Input, and make sure this is your input option, okay? It's no longer external microphone, it's none of these. And then make sure your output is this guy right here, Screen Record with Audio, and then you're done. Okay, and just click on this and click on the region you want to record or full screen record. Give it a few seconds, talk to your mic, also play something like a music or something, and then pause it right here and then go back to it and listen to it. See if your audio is captured from your mic and your computer at the same time, okay? So that's pretty straightforward, guys. Just follow these steps. I'll leave some links in the description. Definitely go check it out. Subscribe to the channel, most importantly, for future content, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. And this is Tario, guys. Thank you for watching this. Take care.